Snowing and blowing. I don't mind it though, as long as we don't have to go anywhere. I'm not sure if this is a blizzard yet. I don't really think so, but it's definitely snowing and blowing a bit out there on March 14th. And I'm thinking about our goats having babies. I'm hoping they wait a while. At least till next week when it's supposed to warm up. Okay, I'm going to try to get this door open with all the snow. We're going to go see if we can measure this. Oh, maybe I can sneak out. I got it open a few inches. Okay, it's up past my knees. See if we can go down the steps without falling. Ooh. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to walk out just a little bit, and you can see it's up to almost my waist. Let's see. So that says 28 inches right there. And that's as good a place as any, I guess, to do it. It's fairly flat through here, so it's been blowing. But there's a drift over here. Let's see how the thing's gonna be buried in it. Here we go. Oops. There we go. That's a little drift there. The barn. I'll zoom in a little bit. That's the barn. And chicken coop. That big white lump right there is the turkey house. They're in a snowdrift, I guess. We're gonna have to dig them out. And then that little A-frame back there is the duck coop. I'm gonna have to try to get out there as well. But this is Snowstorm Stella, I guess they're calling it. Wow, you can't even see hardly the chicken tractors. There's 3 of them right out there in the field. They're all buried. Snow set. Or swing set, not snow set. Oh, goodness. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow here. He just fell in the...
Run. Go. Go see.
Buddy, come here! Come on! Come on! Oh, you're such a pretty boy. Buddy. Buddy. Hey, buddy. Buddy, come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Your face is all snowy. Where'd he go? I can just see the top of it bouncing.
What? There's something there. I forgot about that.
Go see Rory. It reminds me of an otter or something when he's like bouncing through the snow. We could lose him.
Huh?
He loves it. Where's Rory? Where'd he go? Go see him. Where's Rory? Buddy, wrong way, stupid. Buddy, where's Rory? Go see Rory.
Buddy, coming. Coming.
Wrong way. There, he figured it out.
Hey, bud. So, you got, how do you keep doing that?
I hear somebody coming. We got a bunch of snow. The porch and where I've been walking. I don't know if you'll be able to see if I turn it around, but it is a little deep. Alright. I don't know what you guys are doing where you are, but I know what we're doing today. We'll be shoveling. Have a great day. Stay warm and God bless.